Na wakwani la umate mbiyemule. Na ikaransire. Na iroiwono mambia. Sauti yane teluguya. Kwanza ningependa kusema kwa kanisa ELCK nina deni yenu. I will come and tell you. Vile wenzangu wamezungumza hapa, tutakuja kuwachangia. So we will come and discuss and agree. Eso mwaka isekaka. Kera nero sirire. Amona kaka na bana bamino. Abono musani one omweshimiwa Doris Abuli. Omwaka Abuli na korora. Thank you. Thank you so much. Again, tungiwo kalero na kumia. Ekara na aliko kaenda na chikote mwenyenye. Unoro mube. Ikiagara kwangiro kukwane la donya ajo inye timu yetu. Kumbe mwenyenye no mwili. I nearly fainted. Mheshimiwa Jaff, Mheshimiwa Osoro, the hosting member of parliament, my brother, my leader, Mheshimiwa Dr. Nchoke. Musani one etimu elimwaru nyamira. Mwongi na Jerusha, majority leader, Steve Mogaka, thank you. Na madam, my sister, Omini ODM. Yamane Sogocha, Mheshimiwa one, Mheshimiwa Kibagendi, thank you for coming. Mheshimiwa one Barongo, I've heard you, I've seen you. Bali mwensi mwacha aba MCA kero monto mbiyamono esogocha kolero mwana oyo minto kadamdonya. Ntaragendera ayesare twa abantu bara abakorole. Edo kiane no kera. Ona kama kiri miaka 25 roje. Anengoja utarande. Kabula kwania. Thank you so much. Could you say a word?
God is good. God is good. And all the time. Asa Maria Tankoro kugesale mamoima. Nimekuja hapa kuwaeleza rafiki yangu sana Doris Donya and your husband Baba.
Ito kukwana ga. Moja bere. Ikiagaro mongroyo. Talingi muntu twala wecha kutwala liyo managa usitukwana mangana manene. Gaki alfa. Abana baba mintu mura bagambi. Gaki mutale wancha twabira ne nye twakosa nire. Eli ugeli ndirigia. Every day abantu bakurwana iskoga. Kongo boli we TV na lero kyaba musiki abaliete. And yet abantu baito no butaka bo bachandite. Abantu baito batagete bintu bya serikali biche na kende kara ku Rwanda CDF okolega asi account government yakolega asi amacha toke agiracha kolega asi amacha pingoke gabo ita angebi na bye bintu twali kugambaga. But we are Boga Sorora. Ekiagara eseke usi njenomo senginare. Abana bagoletie abane maro etu alikuomana lakini nkabatebia engakia ikire ekeramo chenchese e community ewocha e community neka ulele kamole inchumwe gobora yi lakini mwesike Morende gutwa ekiagara kaingira baba ama entenyina iborwe. Do you guys understand what that means? You don't. We hate each other too much. These people here don't want us to hate each other. They want to see us working together. They want to see us delivering for them. These people have no business about which seats we want to get in the next 6 years or 5 years. What if you die anyway? These people want us to be abana abamo na beyen ko bakulera ko basorora ekeremo cha kere siomba ngeita manyinga na manyinge kraite kire bantu banya ko abera na. I beg all of you, I am on my knees. Let us stop that. Let us sit down into Nairobi abana ba minto. Tuikaranze Nairobi tubora nina ki inchieke tuanganiraiga. Balimore ni UDA, stay there, work hard, make sure motoletere bintu. Balibaroto opposition kuna Jerome, I will continue criticizing William Ruto for the delivery of services. I always support it. Is a very, I say so. Manyakora William Ruto ko janemi arawa ngo so juko ndinga na mo criticize it. So what is it? You guys, you are carrying 4 million people. You have got Yavana to school. You have Wabari. If you pick the community and guide it towards a line of disorder, a line of violence, a line of not respecting authority, you will not govern even yourselves. Dolwana ine kakia bana ba minto ko basorora yene bibiri na bolia abera na inwe. Tomorrow I will not be there. Na kwa siasa for 25 years I may not be important. Lakini moro chini manyete kende timanyete vindo vike moja mongoli bakaekaki. You guys, and all of you are friends. All of you. Osoro kana mo kumera na ali Nairobi na kiba muita na moli. Ona ni kimoja muita ni la guys. Kiba kimanya kurwana no sora ko. Tino kwa na mo ko nyita mwango na mandazi. Mwante biri kongeli suko chiabwa e wisiro kurwo. Na batega ke umrawa mi tunuche mole friends huya. Nkike mukuna. And this goes for you guys and goes for our governor. I am still going to try and persuade him that it pains me that yakarna bole tu muswacho yokurudonya to eta usingo te yabanto nyere simba chukura because nanya ale okole bintu geti ebinte bine bintu geti simba kore tindi ko simba kende tuanjira nete chibese chichiche jana ende senate nete chibese usi chibese twa financial year ya uchile 14 billion wono ile chibese twa mentete usi yakanyora 17 billion Aki 17 million ya wana minto chisi ya weta wokoleka CDF you guys are at 250 times how many constituencies? 14. That is another 4 billion. 4 plus 17, that is 21 billion. How can these people be walking around as if they were when Ronichi Basari, when it is not politics. It is the need. These people are worried that our team will not deliver. Please, I beg you, my brothers. Go and sit down, let us meet Njoke. When you are answer. Because we are still more, nobody more. Yes. Omusi no muntu sikire omusi no muntu wande chimbu chingi ya igere maranga nkia katokura usacha mo inchusuka ikese misinya kango rauna okolegasi eso muhusiara takitoko kolegasi akonya abantu umuhusiara okonyo umuntu na Fred Matiang'i, he was there. So what I am saying, thank you. I don't want to criticize Machongu because no you mintali. Lakini na ino walimo uno kwandira mutebi alete bintu oto nakakuira samo. Those are the things we are going to discuss amongst ourselves. Fredi gale kuroma baka na ruwa usura inane kwa kumuita na ndoko. Mwaka muitire. Onya akaleta lechi mundu kinyomba le ndimo majitu kurusi nyomba. Toka modea kama hakuna ngakati to wasuko kurusi manyinga hakuna ngaki. So I want to finish by saying, Madam Donya, thank you, Baba. I still believe in you. You are smart. You work smart. Naande kanyakulia. Itabu licho siling korora ebinte byo kolonyons. Aye kaka. Keep up the good spirit, take care of the family of Chile, and I hope that all of you will be together and work smarter and continue helping Avanjali. Esamangana usi, try your best, Baba. Remember once I told you, and there are things I see. I told you, you might end up being the first woman governor of Kisii County. So keep the work. Mbago kwa wakura busaiwo, bakolele bintu bireki, bira moyo. Nale, erongoli ane, siringi 30 na gesare, na mwakanera siringi, chiri 10, echingo kwande. Miyamono Osoro, please come and say a few words. And was on the west. On the Paramit, 2 5 Thank you so much.